Hello guys and welcome to our video. We are presenting our favorite cheesecake muffin. For the muffin dough we need 80 ml neutral oil, 130 g sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons cream, 120 ml milk, 125 g flour, 25 g cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons natron, a pinch of salt and 80 g of chocolate chunks. At first we are preparing our chocolate chunks. Before we need a block of chocolate which we are cutting into small chunks. Then we pour the oil, milk, cream, eggs, sugar, flour, cocoa powder, natron and a pinch of salt into the mixing bowl. When it is well combined, you add the chocolate chunks. Then you mix the dough so that the chocolate is everywhere. When the dough is ready, you pour it into a piping bag. Then you cut off the bottom and pipe the dough into the paper liner so that everyone has the same amount of dough.
For the cheesecake part you need 230 g cream cheese, 4 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cream, 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
After this is done, you put a cheesecake mixture over the chocolate dough. Then you put the muffins into the oven at 175 degrees for 50 minutes. When the time is over, you put it out and let it cool down before you can enjoy it.
We hope you had fun watching it and wanna bake this too. We had a lot of fun and see you in another video. Bye!